Good morning to everybody. As you know, I am a big coffee drinker. These are a lot of the ones that I've been currently enjoying, but I'm really excited because today I have a new coffee to try. I've been waiting a while to pull the trigger on this one. It's through the company that I've been part of for a little bit, trying their vitamins and different wellness supplements, and they have this awesome looking coffee offering that I'm going to give a try today. First thing, I get to caffeinate whatsoever, so bear with me. We're going to open this up, we're going to learn a little bit about it, and we're going to use it as my first brew of the day to give you an honest opinion on this LiveGood Organic Coffee. Included a sticker. Here is LiveGood Organic Coffee. They advertise it as for healthy weight management. I'm really excited because I've wanted to try a mushroom coffee for a while. There's the Rise and Everyday Dose. This includes 6 proprietary mushrooms that all have great adaptogenic qualities. Cordyceps, reishi, king trumpet, shiitake, lion's mane, and turkey tail are all included in this proprietary blend. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what benefits including these in my diet can be. Who can't benefit from a mood boost? So between the maca and the mushrooms, we're looking for balance and improved memory and focus. Definitely can't wait to increase there. So any kind of stomach discomfort that you may have been dealing with, anything related to your previous coffee, you have to kiss that goodbye. There's 100 milligrams in here with between the coffee and the green tea. So it's going to be slow release, steady energy without the jitters, and it's going to get you through your day. So if you're tired of having stomach troubles, if you're tired of the crash or the jitters you get from other coffee products, give this LiveGood Organic Coffee a try and see if it can change your routine. Definitely not looking to give up coffee, but I wouldn't mind having an alternative, and I'm really hoping to see the benefits of these 6 adaptogenic mushrooms. So hang with me while I open this, and we're going to make it today. It's going to be my first brew of the day, so to give you guys an honest opinion. It comes with its own little scoop. It's kind of in between what I would think of protein powder and an instant coffee would be. It's kind of granular. It's a earthy smell. Definitely pick up some coffee, and there's some other earthy stuff. It smells healthy. We'll give it a heaping scoop. Why not? In there, 6 to 8 ounces of hot water. All right. Stir it up. I will say everything dissolved pretty well just with pouring the water on. So I'm going to give it a stir. I don't like any chunks in our coffee. It smells really good. Almost a little bit of a chocolatey. I'm just going to give it a drink and tell you what I think. Yum. It's earthy, it's got a coffee, but it's smooth. Doesn't have a normal bitterness I find in a strong coffee. I reckon you could use your favorite cream in here to add extra texture or a flavor if there's something you're looking for, or you don't like the earthy, herbal flavor. And I didn't really expect it to taste like Jungle Love or Javalia. I was looking for something different. And I guess it's all about the results. We'll see if this enables me to be a productive human being today. So thanks for checking out my quick review of LiveGood Organic Coffee, full of 6 adaptogenic mushrooms, maca and green tea, also acacia fiber to fuel your body, to heal your body, and give you the clean, focused energy that you need to get through your day.